Shit. We should have like really given a disclaimer that this is our opinion and our taste. In case you are emotionally connected to a chocolate, which I'm really sorry about.
Please don't write hate comments.
Please don't write hate comments. Don't hate us. This is just our opinion.
Okay.
Hello guys.
Okay, yeah. Sorry.
Okay, never mind. So what we're doing right now is we are going to taste a bunch of like chocolates and candies, and we are going to like kind of like rate and review them.
Nobody asked us to do it, but
BuzzFeed, if you are watching this, can you please take us? We have a lot of potential and no job. Okay, basically I have like candies in this.
yes.
So you have to like pick one random candy and then
Okay.
we'll test it.
Okay. So are you ready for it?
There are 2-3 items जो हमने ऐसे उठाए हैं ना.
It's
They are very
okay.
questionable.
We'll try. Okay. Okay, so the first
We are
thing that
literally- We're taking a
sugar-free.
sugar-free Amul dark chocolate, and मैंने खाई है पहले. This is going to be fun.
Okay. Yeah, so basically you're saying my reaction to this.
I want to see your reaction to this specifically. I'll just give you one piece.
Okay. Okay. मेरी सुबह की कॉफी इससे बेटर होती है.
Which is just, I don't know, it has no flavor except for dark chocolate. What did you think?
That's what the wrapper says actually, you know. It says it's sugar free.
I'm sorry, but we live in India. When they say sugar free, they mean less sugar.
Yes, we expect sugar, some amount of sugar.
I think this is
Basically, Amul delivers you whatever it says on the back.
Amul, if you're watching this, sponsor. Anything for the cash. I'll rate this a 2.
We're rating out of 10, right?
Yeah.
I think it's a decent chocolate. I mean, I'll give it a 4 maybe. Because I don't like dark chocolate, but that's what the paper said. So we should have listened
That's
to
what
it.
the paper said.
That's what the rapper said. Rapper से ऐसा rapper लग रहा है ना यार कि Okay, now it's
continue.
mine. Wait, I'll offset. I'll go. Oh, I don't want to eat this.
I'll give you a side note that I hate coconut and
Yes,
मैंने
it's a coconut punch.
it's some sort of like coffee bite होती है वैसे type of
coconut
chocolate.
version है.
ये उसका कोकोनट वर्जन है एंड आई हेट कोकोनट. मैंने 4 साल की उम्र में एक बार कोकोनट खाया था, मैंने वॉमिट कर दिया था.
Just please don't sit next to me. Coconut.
आई एम नॉट टू एक्साइटेड.
It smells like parachute का नारियल का तेल. It's not breaking.
Does this break? I think this is just going to be a separate video.
I was trying to.
I'm full. I can't.
ये किस जानवर की चमड़ी?
Can you please? I cannot eat this. This shit. I suddenly changed my opinion. This is a solid 4 and this is like a -100. Because there is nothing in this. कि क्या डालना भूल गए इसके अंदर की ऐसी बनी है. How is it even in your mouth? How is it surviving there? I have no clue. But this kind of sucks.
Yeah.
This
This is a 0. Yeah.
Don't look in it.
Yeah. So we have Chupa Chup cubes.
Tubes. I don't know why they keep
And it
changing.
has a center filling. Okay, now this is a separate video where Vanshika is trying to open the.
Intense music. This is how it looks like. This looks like.
Okay. We don't want your opinion. Shut up.
I'm a savage.
This is nice.
It is nice. It is overpowering for a sour, but it's not.
But it's good.
If you had to put like a meter जिसमें sweet and sour पे ऐसे ऐसे करना हो तो it won't stay in the middle. It will go towards the sour वाला side. It is a little sour.
You could have just said it's sour and we would have understood that, but you chose if there is a meter which says sweet and sour. This was good, yeah. I liked it.
Yeah, I'll have one more.
Okay, so we'll rate this.
5.5, 6.
Yeah. I think we should stick to 5.5 because you don't know that.
You never know.
Yeah.
I'm going to split.
Oh god, please don't tell me it's. Is it pan? Oh god.
In case you were wondering, in case you went to like a local store and you were like कि ये चॉकलेट कैसी टेस्ट करती होगी,
Okay.
डेयरी मिल्क पान जीरा.
We are going to tell you guys. And you can trust us obviously because sweet and sour and the meter is not in the middle. Okay. Okay, इस बार let's try to rate the chocolate like Sanjeev Kapoor. We'll first smell it and then we'll taste.
Firstly, I would like to say there is no marks for plating because they did not even try to put another wrapper. There is no foil. They're like you open and it's naked chocolate.
Naked.
And we have to let go
Yeah.
pieces.
Yes. Wait. Yeah, okay.
For the first 5 seconds, I was like, कि इसमें तो कुछ भी पान जैसा नहीं है.
अभी आफ्टर टेस्ट आएगा अभी 2 मिनट में.
And then I realized, shit,
This is very bad. Very.
this is torturous. I don't know why. Why would you make this? What's so wrong with a plain, simple chocolate?
This is horrible. The aftertaste is so bad.
Basically, this tastes bad.
Yes, okay.
And
So now
I don't know what we're supposed to do with this chocolate.
something is coming. Oh, rich
Bonville.
cocoa and it's Bonville.
I like Bonville.
I have no idea how it tastes. And it's 50% dark. Oh, this has a body. No, this has a.
This has a
kapda.
body. When we said we will rate and review the candy,
We were this specific. We are this specific, okay? I mean, it's the same thing. I don't like dark chocolate, but it's okay.
to be honest, what is like the difference क्या है इसमें और sugar free में?
वही तो बोल रही हूँ. वो भी डार्क है, ये भी डार्क है. और शुगर दो इसमें भी नहीं लग रहा है.
I'll have to pick.
Yeah, okay.
मेरी तरफ ही रखी.
We decided that we'll be quick now. This is not quick.
5 star. Did you really take a 5 star?
Yes. Arre, it was
to
comparison
compare
between two.
with
Wait.
Bar 1. Yeah. Yes, guys, we're not only reviewing, we're also comparing. It's a 5 star versus Bar 1
Yes, okay.
competition.
Now let's.
We're like pros.
5 star is good. It's a little chewy, but it's okay.
Yeah. I like 5 stars. Like a comfort type of.
It's just that you need to put in a lot of effort in chewing it.
Into chewing it.
And I'm not that kind of a person. So.
No, this is Bar 1. It's always a... What's like your opinion? Which one do you like better?
I think the taste of 5 star was better.
Yeah.
But Bar 1 was less chewy.
Yeah. Also like caramel in Bar 1 is more. To me मुझे ज़्यादा feel होती है caramel. उसकी वाली थोड़ी गले में लगती है कभी कभार मुझे.
So basically, guys, underdog को support करना चाहिए. Basically, we are giving life lessons also. So like after watching this,
you'll become a very like you'll become
you'll be a better person than what you were 5 minutes ago or like 1 hour ago, because the speed at which we are doing this, it's going to exceed 1 hour now. So the opinion was that I think Barawan is better.
yeah, slightly 19-20 का फर्क.
ऐसे डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर नहीं चलता है. ओके
Bro,
कई 5 स्टार वाला
हाँ, बहुत
So now this is the most awaited thing. We have 2 Skittles. One is the normal one, original.
and then
And the
the
other is
wild
wild
berries.
berry.
My bet is totally on the normal one because I like the normal one.
Yes. Okay, so you didn't have to say that because we are presenting an unbiased view. Okay, yes.
I'm trying the blue one and the purple one.
Yeah, so she has all the wild berry flavors and I have all the original flavors because I'm original. This is good, yeah. I've had this a million times. The original flavors, all the flavors except the yellow one, all of them are good.
It's just like sour, but I'll have this.
The wild berry flavors are too wild for us to try. So we just. You're supposed to support it.
The wild berry flavor. Too wild for us to try.
So original ones are the best. And
Yeah.
wild berry is cheap.
I'll give this. This is a 7 or 8 on 10. 8 on 10. And this one is a 4 on 10.
Yeah, so now
Yeah,
You
4
can
या
see.
5 on 10. जो भी
Just
तुम्हारा
try
5-star 3D. We really don't know.
what is so 3D in this, but it's 3D.
But it's 3D, it's round, I think, for some reason.
It says Cadbury milk chocolate plus caramel plus crunchy crispies. Crunchy crispies.
This is just too much for a chocolate.
This is too much caramel, yeah.
In the name of 3D. This is really खोखला. The nuts, जो इसमें जो भी अंदर डाल रखा है, that is it has nothing.
1 in a million, I said.
It is nothing. It literally एक दांत लगता है और वो ऐसे चुर हो जाता है.
Guys, now you have to eat this to experience that feeling, okay? I think I'll give this a 3. A 3, I think. it's okay. This is not good.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so next, this is something that I've never heard of, but
Yeah, same. This is like the Chocos उन्होंने बनाई है और Nestle made this something Chocos की chocolate.
okay, let's see how it looks. I'm excited to see how this looks.
I want to.
Oh, jam. This looks like some
That one
granola bar.
हाँ, exactly. Like that protein bar kind of.
But it looks so cute, यार. देख कैसा छोटा छोटा है. वैसे curved वाले.
So
And पीछे there's white chocolate.
you can see the chocolate.
And it has white chocolate.
See, this is how it breaks. It's literally.
Aww.
Oh. First, I want to know what was their purpose of making this chocolate? Were they like कि किसी के पास अगर बाई चांस इतना टाइम ना हो कि वो चौको डब्बे में से निकाल के दूध में डाल के उसे खा सके, तो ये रहा दूध, ये रहे चौकोस, खा लो.
I think this is ये चॉकलेट के नाम पे बेच रहा है, but this is granola bar only.
Yeah. Do they claim to be a chocolate?
Okay, so the last thing that's left is Chota Bheem.
Lickables. You remember that Lickables वाला advertisement जिसमें वो alien जैसे डांस कर रहे होते थे?
नहीं.
Have you seen the good things in life?
Why does this look like this?
This just look like a lot of Nutella with pieces of Oreo. That's
Why is
literally.
this so disappointing?
But where is the chammach? Am I supposed to like?
Oh, here. Acha no. वो चम्मच.
They just literally want me to like lick it. Oh, lickables. Guys, this is lickable and it needs to be licked.
Can you stop saying licked, please?
What am I supposed to do? It is supposed to be.
Please stop. This is what crunch means. Crunch
Yeah.
should be.
So, the chocolate. It's very chocolatey.
Okay. Basically, there are two sides, sweet and sour. And this is not in the middle of it, it's on the sweet side. Do you guys understand it now? So, the review that we have of this is it's lickable, it's chocolatey, it's not.
It
in
has the
middle.
crunch. Has it?
And it gives you a toy. So, basically, if you want a toy, you should.
This
take
is a full-on winner.
इसको लास्ट में डालना. अच्छा है, लोग पूरी वीडियो देख लेंगे. अगर स्टार्टिंग में डालते तो फिर लोग हमारी क्रेडिबिलिटी को क्वेश्चन करने लगते हैं.
Basically, we're letting lickables win because we were so judgy the entire video that we don't even know कौन सा chocolate win कर रहा है इस point पे.
अरे उसने खाने का दिया था.
Guys, turns out it is not so lickable because you get a spoon with it.
It gives you sticker of all the Chuchibim character.
Yeah, Chitty Beam. Oh my god. At this point, this video is literally just all over the place. So, we are just going to end this video. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And yeah, at this point, Akriti has just given up. Come here. Come here, say.
Yes, okay. We'll see you next time. And please watch the birthday vlog and this video too and give it a thumbs up.